Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Play Store in PC or laptop. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search BlueStacks 5 download. Select the first site and select download BlueStacks option and it will start downloading. After getting download done, click on it and install it. After the installation done, you just need to open the BlueStacks 5 and now click on this icon and close all these programs in background. Select the system apps and select Play Store. You just need to log into Play Store guys so that you can able to search for any apps. Now you can able to search any apps or games you want. For example, I'm gonna search for BGMI. You can install it if you want. In my case, I already have the Free Fire installed in my PC. The game worked perfectly fine without having any problem. You can also install any apps, for example, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Free Fire, PUBG, etc. You can play this Free Fire with your keyboard. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.